today I'll be sharing two important tools used in animation: the pencil and the sharpener, and why it is important to use them properly. Okay, first is the pencil. This tool is used to create the first key drawings in animation. Animators often use an HB or B pencil for clean lines, while colored pencil are used for rough sketches or planning movements. Now I'll show you an example. Okay, the second one is the sharpener. It keeps our pencil ready to draw by shaving off the wood and exposing the lead. A well-sharpened pencil gives clean, precise lines. It is very important in animation. And now I'll show you how to sharpen a pencil. And be careful, hold it properly so that you won't get harmed. This is one. So now let's see what happens if these tools are used incorrectly. So if you use a dull pencil, like this, your drawing will look messy and unclear. That makes it hard to animate smoothly or trace over your work. And if you force the pencil into the sharpener or use a broken one, you might break the lead or even hurt yourself. So be careful. So as you can see, it looks unclear. It looks messy on your paper, right? Okay. So always take care of your tools. A sharp pencil and a good sharpener helps you create cleaner and better animations. So thank you for watching.